Hello everyone, Namaste. Welcome to my channel Cooking with Chilli. My name is Chilli. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like my video, share it, and you can comment it as well as don't forget to hit the bell icon. Today I'm going to make coconut chutney. So let's start. Here is a mixture jar. I'm going to put grated coconut and coriander and lemon juice as well as salt and 2 cloves of garlic, chili, cumin seed and roasted Chana Dal. So I'm going to blend it now. This is the ingredients that I'm going to use. This is a grated coconut. It's half cup of grated coconut and half cup of coriander and 2 green chili, half a teaspoon of cumin seed and 2 cloves of garlic, and this is roasted Chana Dal and half tablespoon of lemon juice and salt. So let's start now. I blend it. Now this is how it looks like. Our coconut chutney is ready to serve. I hope you enjoyed watching my video. Thank you for your time, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, like my video, share it, and you can comment it as well as don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you. See you next time. Bye bye.